Who doesn't like great chili? I'm Tyler, and we're using the Instapot today to make my favorite, the world's best chili. Here are all the ingredients that you need to make this wonderful chili happen. With the Instapot set to saute, 2 pounds of ground beef, a little bit of olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. While that beef is browning, we're gonna grab 1 cup of unsalted chicken stock, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Grab yourself some unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon into the mixture. Well, our beef is almost done. That means that we can start getting our spices ready. It's 1 tablespoon of cumin, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Now that that's cooked for a while, we're gonna pour the juice from the beef and set it aside, and then we're gonna brown the beef for an additional 2 to 3 minutes and let it brown up nice and good. Be careful, it's hot. Now you're gonna throw your peppers, your onions, the spices that we just mixed, and you're gonna put about a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half of minced garlic in there. Let the aromas build up. Smell that chili starting to form. It smells so good right now, I wish you could smell it. Molly even agrees. Once it's really aromatic, go ahead and add half of the chicken stock mixture that we made up earlier and deglaze the bottom of the pan. Now you're gonna add 2 cans of your favorite chili beans. Now you're gonna add an entire can of crushed tomatoes. 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Now make sure that you don't mix the crushed tomatoes or the tomato paste. Let them sit on top. And then you're gonna pressure cook on high for 10 minutes in the sealed position with a natural release. Delicious.